Here I have Samsung Galaxy S10, and today I'm going to show you how to clear cache on this device. So to do this, firstly you should open settings, then you should go to the battery and device care, then go to memory, then it checks your memory space. You can tap clean it now, and after that all of the cache memory will be cleaned, and this might speed up your device slightly or something. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.